Hey guys, welcome to my channel again. This is just a quick video to go over what I will be carrying in my first aid kit. So first off, this bag is a Dyneema bag from Light AF, and I picked this one just because it has first aid on it. And it is supposed to be waterproof and with a waterproof zipper. So let's dive into what is in my first aid kit and what I'm going to be carrying. So first off, in this bag, I do have a couple of these bandages that I can tie in case I've hurt myself. I wasn't going to carry this, but then after a fall that I did this summer, I needed something to wrap around my leg, and I used my bandana at the time, but it wasn't quite big enough to tie tight, so I am going to carry this. And then everything else I put into a little Ziploc baggie. I know that's supposed to be waterproof, but I have carried this before and I had water tablets in there and they got a little damp, so I just want to make sure this stuff stays dry. So number one, I have fingernail clippers or toenail clippers, whichever. If you hike a lot, you know that you can't have very much length on your toenails because it will create blisters and cuts on your toes. So these were really hard to hang on to when I was trimming my nails and stuff. So I had to take and put a little bit of rubber on here so I had something to grasp. So I also have just a little tiny roll of tape in case I need that with those long bandages. I have tweezers. I'll probably use these most likely to pull ticks off. Hopefully I won't have to use this, but that's what that's for. And next up, a staple, polysporin. Need something, an antibiotic cream for all my cuts and bruises because I'm clumsy and I know I'm going to have lots of them. This is something that I hope I never have to use. It's just some pills for diarrhea relief, but it is handy to have in case I do need it. Another item that I hope I don't have to use, BioFreeze. It's good for burns. So I'm thinking like if I spill hot water on myself, anything around the stove. And then along with that is some relief gel. This was just something I picked up a small packet of. I've got some Benadryl, just in case. Maybe my allergies are acting up. We have some Gravol. Again, I'm not carrying all the big boxes. I've cut them all down into these pill bags, wrote what they are and the instructions. I have a small thing of, what's this one called? Ruby's what is it? Oh, Ruby's Motion Potion for every notion lube. So this would be for when I get chafe. Got 2 safety pins, 3 alcohol swabs. This is my packet of aqua tabs in case my water filter freezes or gets damaged. I'll have to use these in my water. I have a little needle in here. It's just a straw. I've burnt both ends and put the needle in here just in case I have to bust a blister or sew something up with some floss. And then I also just have an assortment of Band-Aids. So in my fanny pack, I'll have some of this as well, but this is my Leuko tape for any hot spots that I have on my feet, but I just want to have an extra piece in my first aid kit in case I run out or something. And same with my Advil. I'll have some of that like right where I can get at it, but I'll have extra in my first aid kit. So that's all I have in my first aid kit. Let's weigh it up and see what it comes to. Okay, so let's tear that, throw that in, and we are at 5.2 ounces. So guys, I hope the audio was okay in this video. My wood furnace just kicked in. It's not a very warm day out today. It's minus 20 degrees Celsius here. So we've got the wood stove going. But I want to thank you again for joining me and going over the first aid kit. If you think I've forgotten something or need something else in my first aid kit, or maybe I need to drop something, because I am always trying to get a little bit lighter, maybe drop me a comment below and I will check it out. So I'll see you on the next one. Bye guys.